BMW X3 M Electric. The silent M power SUV roars back is, this finally proves an M car doesn't need a tailpipe. The high-performance division at BMW is ready to redefine its best-selling SUV with the rumored 2027 BMW X3 M Electric. Unlike the standard electric iX3, which debuts earlier, the full-fat X3 M will ditch gasoline entirely and arrive as a pure EV, expected to start production around November 2027. It's the next big step in BMW's Neue Klasse era, moving M power from combustion engines to a sophisticated electric platform. This isn't just an iX3 with more power, it's a dedicated M machine. Visually, expect the X3 M Electric to take the already sleek Neue Klasse SUV shape and turn up the aggression. Spy photos hint at traditional M cues: a bolder hood with a power dome, wider stance, and a highly aggressive rear diffuser. These elements work to differentiate it from the standard model. Inside, it will feature the striking BMW panoramic iDrive technology. This system replaces the traditional gauge cluster with a full-width digital display across the base of the windshield, paired with a massive 17.9-inch center touchscreen. It's a clean, futuristic look that keeps the driver in the loop without clutter. Underneath, the X3 M Electric is rumored to use a revolutionary quad-motor powertrain, sharing core technology with the upcoming electric M3. This setup gives M engineers unparalleled control via an electronic control unit nicknamed the Heart of Joy. While no official figure is available, credible rumors suggest the power output will be staggering, somewhere in the 700 to 800 HP range. This would make it significantly more potent than the outgoing X3M competition's 503 HP. Utilizing an 800-volt architecture, the X3M is poised for hyper-fast DC charging and could rival competitors like the Tesla Model X Plaid. The decision to make the X3M purely electric shows BMW M's commitment to the electric future, reportedly bypassing a gas-powered successor. It will be built in BMW's new Debrecen, Hungary plant. While pricing is unconfirmed, expect a substantial premium over the standard iX3, which is anticipated to start around $60,000 for the US launch. The brand strategy is clear: define the M badge by its driving dynamics, not its fuel source. The move effectively positions the X3 M Electric to lead the high-performance electric SUV segment. This vehicle is a calculated leap, banking on the promise of electric torque vectoring and sheer power to maintain M's reputation. This is where the silent speed war gets serious.